Oh, hi there. Caught me sweeping my patio. This patio here wasn't here when we started quarantine there about a month ago, but we decided we needed one. So we went, flattened it out, got some stones, and then we needed something to go on the patio. And a lot of people say to me, Brian, how do you build things with just a hammer, a saw, nails, screws, screwdriver, maybe a screw gun, maybe wood, stain, and levers, and all the other things that I use? Actually, nobody says that to me because I'm not a good builder. I come from a long line of good builders. I'm not one of them. But I did make some cool stuff during this quarantine period. Let me show you. So we needed a couch. I'm not gonna pay money for an outside couch. So I'm like, how can we make a couch? I know, pallets. I wonder if there's free pallets. Type it into OfferUp. Free pallets everywhere. Went and picked up some free pallets, laid them down here and there. Made an L-shaped couch fit perfectly here. So once we had the pallets, we got some cushion, just some foam, covered it with sheets, stitched it up, boom, we got a couch. Highlighted by some pillows there, but I think it looks pretty good. Added the armrest and the cup holder to make it look even cooler. Then I thought I need another place to put stuff, so I built this little coffee table. Pretty cool, huh? Yes, it is really cool and free. Then I decided I can make a real table. So I did. Pallets. That's all I did. Pallets. Free. Threw some stain on it that I bought for like $6. Grabbed legs, $8 a piece. Well, $8 for two, actually. Cut them, stained them. There you go. And I thought, my boys need a bench. So I built this bench. Took me about an hour and a half. Pallets, free legs. I don't know. It's just like, I'm good at this. So then I decided I need another place to put my drinks. So I built this. It took me an hour. So how do I do it, you may ask? I don't know.